Hi, I'm Chris Sullivan, Applications Engineer with Optris. I'm here to talk to you about the new standard of non-contact temperature measurement, the remarkably cost-efficient Optris CSmicro series, where innovation and precision unite. Big on performance, small in size. Multiple spectral options allow for precision measurements of plastics, metal, glass, and ceramics, detecting temperature differences as slight as 0.025 degrees Celsius over a wide temperature range from -50 to 1030 degrees Celsius, an achievement that empowers you with unparalleled insight into your process. With an ingenious, miniaturized M12 stainless steel measuring head, this sensor is designed to excel in even the tightest spaces, setting new standards for integration efficiency. Its compact build doesn't compromise on excellence. The pyrometer operates smoothly in temperatures up to 180 C ambient and offers 2-wire installation with uncompromised precision. Configure the analog millivolt or milliamp output effortlessly through our smartphone app, IR Mobile, or the Windows software. The possibilities are at your fingertips. Don't miss your chance to experience precision on a miniature scale. Elevate your temperature measurement journey with the Optris CS Micro.